Yesterday was a humbling experience for Wisconsin's Brian Miller, not for the fact that he didn't get a trophy, but for the experience he shared with nature, the sights, the sounds, the woods. Today, he and Travis hope the cards are once again in their favor. Just to have the chance to see a mature bull that close is all the opportunity Brian needs to fulfill his dream of getting a trophy bull.
Brian, we're back here where we were yesterday. Here it is, day 3. Yesterday we had them screaming all around us in here, so hopefully this morning they'll talk again. We can get out and catch them out in the open and make it happen.
Sounds good. Let's go get one.
All right, let's do it. Okay, bring it down. Settle in.
Yeah! Ah, sweet.
Early in the hunt, Brian was able to get an arrow off. Lady Luck was with Travis and Brian as they came into contact with this bugling bull from a word go. Again, the high grass of the open plain helped Brian get into range, and with yesterday's miss not far from his thoughts, he made a perfect shot. A shot so good, the bull did not run far at all. This made the walk up that much sweeter. Brian never took his eyes off his prize.
This is their third morning out with United States Outfitters. They've been applying for me for the past few years here in Arizona. Well, we've been into a lot of elk. Every day we've been out here. We've watched bulls fighting. We've called them in, never quite the right opportunity. We came out this morning, about 10 minutes into the hunt. We pulled this bull in, came in just like he's on a string. Made about a 30-yard shot and watched him fall down. It was just a great, great hunt. I can't say enough about United States Outfitter. One of the best hunts I've ever been on.
If you would like more information on joining U.S. Outfitters for the hunt of a lifetime, call 1-800-845-9929 or log on to www.huntuso.com.